So today I'm going to give you a very important tip to help figure out health problems. Now, this is going to be a fairly short video, but it's so simple, but it's so important. It's probably one of the most important questions you can ask yourself or ask someone when figuring out a health problem. It's rarely asked and never emphasized, but it's so simple. So this is the question. What happened just before you experienced your health condition, right? There will always be some trigger. It could be food related, could be some stress, something going on in the environment. I'm going to give you some examples. Had a patient come in with angina, chest pain, really bad. She's been struggling with this for probably a week and a half. Took me 2 seconds. I said, when did it start? She goes, I don't really remember. I said, well, take a look. She started looking, and then all of a sudden, oh yeah, it was on a Tuesday. I said, okay, what time? She said, 5 o'clock. I said, okay, what did you eat right before that? She goes, started looking, and she remembered she ate a huge banana split. And this is a true story. It swelled up the gallbladder, and then there was pressure in the liver. And because the liver is right next to the heart, it put pressure on the heart. She went to the emergency room. $40,000 later, okay, they found nothing. And then she ended up in my office later. Now, somehow that event lingered on for a week and a half. And I had her lay on the table, did some gentle massage around her abdomen. All the pain went away. It never came back. So that would be one example. Another example, someone came in, they started losing their teeth. I said, what happened just before that? They're looking, they said nothing. And I said, well, nothing? Did you change your diet? Oh yeah, I became a vegan. I said, aha, interesting. So they started cutting out all fats, all fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin K2, and apparently that was connected to the strength of the connective tissue around their teeth, and the teeth fell out. Another person came in with serious liver pain and gallbladder problems, right? They went to the doc and said it was inflamed. The doc didn't give them any practical information. They ended up in my office. And no one asked them, what did you do just before you had these symptoms? So I asked the question and found out they started some new diet. It was Ideal Protein, which are these powder foods, which are low carb, but very processed, high in soy protein isolates, probably genetically modified, very low fat, and it's very hard on the liver. So that's another example. Another person came in with all these rashes in the body. Says, when did it start? Got her to look, find out what it was, and started to put her on a food elimination program where we started eliminating certain things and found out, isolated, it was a simple food allergy. So you can use this with yourself or your friends. It's just so simple. So I have a question for you. So if you have a health problem right now, take a look and tell us in the comments section what happened just before you started to experience that health complaint. And let me know. All right, thanks for watching.